Real quick, I want to hop on here and let you guys know about a great way to find these courier contracts. Independent contract delivery driver is needed. Company called MGC. Now, this one's based out of Macon, Georgia, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to find these contracts, these loads. This is a local, 5 days a week, 52 days a week contract, excluding holidays. Basically, moving auto parts or whatever last mile delivery they need. You must have a cargo van, 2010 or newer. They tell you the insurance requirements, pass the background, clean MBR, smartphone. Just delivering packages. Very simple things you're doing, loading up, dropping them off 150 to 200 per day. Doesn't give the mileage rate, but usually you're usually like $1.25 a mile. So you're probably doing, between 125 and 150 miles a day, round trip, local. I mean, it works out for you. Now, these prices often adjust for area. So this is Macon, rural Georgia, South. They got, range between 39 and 52. That makes a difference between if you're making $50 and $200 a day. But you can always negotiate your rate. Never just take the first rate they give you unless you just absolutely want that contract. But like I said, I always negotiate at least an extra dollar or some type of increase in my routes, especially got it needed, especially you got that high top van that they're looking for. That's not hard to find and not easy to find for these companies. So they need these type drivers with this equipment and they're not furnishing it. So since you're driving your vehicle, you're running your equipment, make sure you get top dollar for these loads. And just come on and easy to apply. Just hit the easy to apply button and you in there. All right. But not only are you going to easily apply, after you apply, you're going to look up this company, find their website, find some type of contact information. A lot of times you just come to these websites and click on their name and then get their address and phone number, contact HR, try to reach somebody in the company and say, hey, I just submitted my application. I got the hot top cargo van that you guys need. Love to talk to somebody. Always try to talk to a decision maker when you're calling these companies. Know how much you want to make, know how much, they're willing to pay, and try to split in the middle of what works best for both of you guys. All right. I just want to hop on real quick, show you how easy it is. Not only can you find stuff on Indeed, ZipRecruiter, but also Glassdoor. This is glassdoor.com. Very simple. All right. All right, man. Boss up out here. Go get these loads. Go get these contracts. Go get this work. And no, you possibly cannot rent a van with this. You need to actually own your own van. But ownership is pretty much in all paperwork. Wink, wink.